Hello and welcome. We are coming to you live from Shimoga, which of course is in central Karnataka. We've travelled about 300 kilometers from Bangalore. We are at a roadside eatery. This of course is Obbatu, which is a Karnataka special. It seems that the price has increased to 20 rupees per piece from about 5 rupees about 3 years ago. The dal in this sweet roti has come down, and that, according to the makers here and of course the people here, is because of price rise. From this high-profile constituency, the candidate here for the first time fighting MP election is someone who Karnataka is very familiar with. This is a man who made it to the national headlines and consistently has been finding space for all the wrong reason. Call him the strong man of the BJP or the prodigal son from the south. B.S. Yediyurappa of the BJP is contesting the MP election from Shimoga and giving him a tough fight despite his corruption allegations and despite the support he enjoys within the BJP and also by the public by and large, it seems, is JDS candidate Geeta Shivrajkumar, who has virtually brought the entire tinsel town, the sandalwood industry, the Karnataka film industry, to Shimoga to campaign for her, to make it a very, very interesting contest in Shimoga. It is a tall task for Yediyurappa. He was brought into the BJP despite criticism, despite corruption allegations. But for the BJP, they hope that the Yediyurappa magic or the Yediyurappa mantra will win for them many of the 28 seats in Karnataka. With 3 pending cases of land denotification as Chief Minister of Karnataka to allegedly benefit his family, Yediyurappa is hoping to be an MP for the first time. The 71-year-old, who walked away from the BJP after serious differences, ensured the party didn't win a single seat of the 7 assembly seats in Shimoga during the state election last April. We are crossing the beautiful Tungabhadra river, and this of course is an intersection between Shimoga and Bhadra, which is another area, an industrial area, and the candidate from this very constituency is BJP strongman, former Chief Minister Mr. B.S. Yediyurappa. Look at the crowd, you get an idea of what a mass leader he is. The bike rally, which is extending up to almost 1 kilometer with a lot of people who have come in to join, and they seem to be cheering for this person who is the candidate and hoping to win from here as MP for the first time, Mr. Yediyurappa. Sir, among the many issues this election, corruption is one major issue. You of course have certain allegations of corruption against you. That has become an issue here in Shimoga where your candidate opponents are using that issue. How do you respond to people when they ask you, your voters when they ask you?
I got all the relief from the High Court and also Supreme Court. Small cases are there. I am going to get relief in the judiciary. I got 100% confidence. This type of allegations would not serve the purpose.
The High Court of course quashed many cases in the illegal mining scam, but there are cases pending in the land scam which you say are small cases?
No, that is only denotification. Being the Chief Minister, I have got every right to denotify the lands. And so all other Chief Ministers also done the same thing. I am not all bothered about that. And I have got 100% confidence I am going to get relief from the High Court.
Geeta Shivrajkumar may be a new entrant to politics, but not the process. She is the daughter of former Chief Minister and 4-time MP Bangarappa. They say behind every successful man is a lady, but behind this lady is her man.
They tell me everything, that love they have towards my father, that the love they have towards us. Being a woman, it's a plus point for me.
They all call you Shivanna here. Is Shivanna coming into politics?
No, Shivanna is not coming. Right now, only my wife is in politics. I think I just want to give her a space, and she will do. I think right now, the people's blessings are there.
Parveen, a worker in Shimoga's flower market for years, says price rise and corruption are the 2 big issues for her this election.
3 साल में का तो जब 10 रुपए रहता अब 100-200 रुपए हो गया अब उसमें महंगाई बढ़ रही है
बहुत अच्छे करने वाले आदमी को हमें वोट करना कहते अभी मालूम नहीं हमें कोई भी दल नहीं कांग्रेस दल नहीं बीजेपी दल नहीं कहते मालूम नहीं
AICC member Manjunath Bhandari is hoping to win over the political star and film star power.
For your kind information, Yediyurappa is not from this place. He is an outsider. I am the only person from belongs to this land.
Voters here seem thrilled to attend rally after rally of all parties, but most say they know which button to press on the EVM on the 17th of April when Karnataka votes. Radhika Iyer in Shimoga in central Karnataka with DM Kumar, NDTV. corruption being a big issue here in Shimoga, let me go across to somebody who's been in the tourism industry for the last several years. Tourism is major here in Shimoga. What do you want from the new government?
ಹೊಸ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಪ್ರವಾಸೋದ್ಯಮದ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರ ಒಂದು ರಚನೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕೆರೆಗಳು, ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ, ಬರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಇದೆ, ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ರಾಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಈಗ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಯುಕ್ತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರು ಸೇರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
Okay, there are several waterfalls here. The Joke Falls, a famous one in India, of course, is here in Shimoga district, and they say that environment should be given importance by the new government. What does the urban voter want from the new MP?
New MP, we want infrastructure development, industrial development, IT sector, IT sector has to be improved, and the new IT company should come to Shimoga to give employment.
However, it seems that there is an IT firm here, an IT edifice which has come up, but there are no IT companies. That they say is a loss. Some young people here. What do you want when you cast your vote? Will you look at corruption? What will you vote for?
Yeah, of course, I'll look at corruption so
as
that
an issue, okay?
Yeah, as an issue, so that Shimoga is potential. Actually, we are having good dams like Tunga, Bhadra, and all, but still there are so much of road problems that should be broadened and repaired, and parks, especially in one extension, there should be having some park, and women harassment.
Women harassment should be controlled. Quick point from you, N. Beku, Hose Sarkar.
ಹೊಸ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ತಾಂಡವವಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಲ್ಲಬೇಕು. ಜನರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಆರ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸೋದು ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜನರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಆರ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಂಸತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯಿಂದ ನಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರಿಕೆ.
Okay, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರಿಕೆ, and making an appeal that corruption should be stopped, making a request to politicians. Quick.
We need, but we have to, there is a more brain drain here, and we have to control over, we have to improve employment opportunities so that we can develop our nation. And main thing is women harassment. We have to avoid the women harassment.
That seems to be the common point here, it seems, from all of these voters. So what the new MP of Shimoga will deliver is something they're all looking forward to, and also from the national, from the centre itself, the several demands that they have put forward.